So welcome back to another video, guys. If the reason my voice is different is because I'm absolutely dead tired. So I was seeing the popularity of my last Peace video, so I'm making another. So I'm just gonna tune in this quest. And then so I've gotta go grind 60 million Poland in the pineapple field and 20 in the stock field. So that's gonna be fun. Either way, some of these clouds are here, which is nice. So I'm just gonna pretty much gonna start a basic farm. Alright, here we go. So I am currently saving because I am hoping that I'll get the spirit, one of the spirit petals soon. So being able to get the tool, the spirit petal tool thing, because I can't remember what it's called. That would be kind of nice. So I'm just going to have to grind a few thousand Poland. So I'm gonna start popping boosts. There we go. Then I'm gonna use glue and oil and that should bring in a large amount of Poland. Backpack's already half full. Yeah, once I get everything going, things will start to speed up. There we go. So I've only got about 50 million left. Wait, what? What? I have no idea how that balloon happened. That kind of just ran away. I'm confused with what this is. What? I don't know what that is. Like, do you have to pop them and give you rewards? Is that what's going on with those? Either way, sprinklers are going and all my money's on the ground because yay. But either way, this is actually starting to be looking pretty good. So this is going pretty good. I might end up using a glitter to get a half decent boost. And I might end up donating something to the shrine, because that'll help too. That's actually what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go to the shrine. I'm too fast, it won't let me just stay still. So I'm gonna empty out my backpack. Oh. I don't know what that blessing is. Blessing times 5, what? Ooh, coconut. Whoa. So now I'm gonna run up. I'm gonna offer a large amount of pocket. Actually, I'm gonna play this game too. No. Oh, I could have easily done that. Oh, I messed up. Okay. Okay, hold on. What do I have for pineapple? Actually, I'm not too bad. So I might donate maybe 150. So 150 right there. Donate. Okay. Okay, there we go. Wait, what? Oh, an owl, that's awesome. And then times 3 for... That's actually perfect. Whoa. That is when you know somebody's been playing for a long time. Either way, got all my stuff going. I'll probably end up using a glitter. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use a glitter. I've got enough that I don't really have to worry. And I am just going to go crazy. So I got a blessing of 5, which is good. I don't know how it really helps, but apparently it does. But either way, I've got all my boosts going. And this isn't turning out too bad. This is definitely gonna get me quite a bit of pollen and honey. There we go. Oh, more things. So I guess I have to just like stay here and like fill them full of pollen, I think. I'm confused. I still don't really know what those are. But either way, so I'm gonna get the pineapple quest done. Oh, use 10 field dice. Okay, so I know it's gonna be a little bit of a waste. But I'm just gonna go to field dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see if that's all of them. it is. Okay, so sadly, I didn't get... Sadly, I didn't get, oh, what's it called? Sadly, I didn't get more pineapple boost, but that's okay. At least the quest is done. And then, tweets, tokens from Sprouts. Sprouts. Oh yeah, and then donate 3 blue extracts. Oh, that makes sense. And collect. Okay, so Sprouts are... Oh, that's a... I don't know. Either way, I am going to just keep working in the pineapple field. Because there I can spend 1 ticket to empty my entire backpack. So once my backpack gets full, then I can just like head over there, empty it out, and then come right back. So that way I won't lose much boost. So I'm probably not gonna get this all done in 30 seconds. But I'm kind of hoping I won't have to use all of them again. Because I'm trying to save my blue ones. Like, I'm really trying to save my blue ones. So I'm actually gonna go check the blender once these run out. Gonna check the blender. Or I could just kind of power through and continue earning huge amounts of pollen, which is probably what I'll continue doing. Just simply because it makes sense. I'm just gonna power through. So I've only got about 9 million left, meaning I don't really have to worry about boosts. Now, thing is, I will kind of have to worry about the stump field because I don't have the stump. I don't have the snail killed. I've never killed it before, and I only have, I think, less than 2 million chipped off it. I think I have about 1.5-ish. So I'm just gonna power through and get. So for that white pollen, I'm probably just gonna do the spider field. Just to get all of that. And then I'm gonna get all of this. Whew. There we go. Just kind of power through that. So, and then he wants you from blue flowers, which isn't too difficult. Now I'm gonna go see. Now there's an extremely high chance I'm gonna fail, but I want to see if I can just about take out the coconut crab. Because if I can, that'll be absolutely amazing. But I am gonna check the blender really slow. So just let all my honey be done being made. There we go. and then just drop down here, and I'll play this game because I have the money for it. Okay, I'm gonna definitely take those. 3 royal jellies ain't too bad. Okay. And then gonna check this crafting. Now I'm just gonna see what ingredients I need because I'm hoping to make the combat belt. Or the yeah. So I need 100. So I need 100 blues, 100 stingers, 50 enzymes, and that's it. So I need to make more enzymes. So how many am I gonna be able to make? Oh, because it's pineapple. Shoot. Okay, blue extract. I should be able to make a little bit of that. So I'll almost have enough. I just need a few more blueberries, and then we got a werewolf. There we go. Just gonna grab all those boosts. Oh crap! Now I gotta run around the field. Most of the time, grabbing tokens isn't great, but when a huge amount. Oh, actually, that is useful. Pineapples are useful, and I really need as many as I can get. Oh, another aphid. Come on, get him! I still need those gears to get into that room. I still haven't figured out how to go get those. Wait, why are my bees radioactive? Are they normally radioactive? I don't know. But either way, oh, and I'm gonna go play that. Go down here. So, what I'll probably end up doing in the next video is I'll end up grinding. No. No. Oh, well, there goes quite a bit of pollen. That's fine. But either way, what I'm gonna probably do in the next video is I'm probably gonna end up buying quite a few beans with my tickets. I don't know what I'll probably end up doing is what am I thinking of? What I'll probably end up doing is just grinding in the pineapple field and the blue flower field. Some field dice, some moon, night bell. There we go. 500. No. No, actually, wait, what did I get? Oh. That's good. Okay, so there we go. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go kill Tunnel Veil, and I'm gonna go kill Tunnel Veil, and I'll kill fireflies. I can't really tune them down. I simply need pineapples too bad. But no, I'll probably, in the next video, I'll probably end up grinding, like, magic beans, like beanstalks, stuff like that, simply to try and get a little bit of pineapple. Because I simply need so much of it. Like, it's ridiculous how much I need. Anyway, I'm gonna hop down. The fact that I moved too fast to get into a hole. Okay. Oh, wait. Crap! Really? I got a festive gift and I die. Whoa, that was fast. So now I gotta wait for all my bees. That sucks. When are they gonna come on? Okay, might as well get a little bit of pollen. Oh. Are they starting to come? Yep. A few of them. A little bit of faster bees. Yep. There's most of them. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop in and try and kill him. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm probably gonna easily kill him. Like normal. Oh, hasty bee, of course. So there, that's gonna get him. There. So it doesn't look like I got. Oops. It doesn't look like I got much pineapple from that. Either way, that's alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to head down here, and that'll be the end of the video. Oh, and I'll grab this. I'm just gonna grab it for the fruits and stuff. Now, he's a lot faster. I'm gonna grab that. I have no idea what those are. There we go. Tons of quite amazing boosts and stuff that'll help me out quite a bit. Just gonna run through the field, grab a bit of pollen. But either way, so I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope you guys have a great day.